Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in our today's video, we are going to learn how to iterate through data table in UiPath. So first of all, I will show you the input file here. So this is the input file with 4 columns and 5 rows. So first of all, search for Excel activities in the activity panel. Drag and drop Excel application scope. Give the workbook path. Select the input file. Now read this Excel file. Drag and drop read range activity. So here in the input section, sheet name is sheet 1 and data table output will come in data table variable. Now to iterate through the rows of Excel, search for each loop. Take for each row in data table. So the data table name is dt1 and to show the output, I'll take a message box. Before that, let me take you through the Excel file. So you will see here, these are the headers and these are the rows. So the indexing will start from 0. This is 0th column, first, second and third, and the rows will also start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are total 4 columns and 5 rows. If you have to show the value in the message box, so the syntax would be current, select the current row variable. So if you want to show the value of column name, the indexing would be 0. Just save the activity, close the file and run this activity. So you will see here the values are coming in message box. First value was Joseph, next is Clark, third row value, fourth row value and fifth row value. This is how the values will show in the message box. If you want to see the value of more than one column, take plus sign for the concatenation. just convert it into string variable to string to string. Save this activity and run it. So you will see here in the message box, it is showing the values from two columns. First is name and second one is location. So Joseph location is Germany. The next value. So this is how you will show the value in the message box. So in today's session, we have used Excel application scope activity, read range, for each row in data table, and the message box to show the values of Excel. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Keep watching guys. Thank you so much.